Here's how to make two columns in Google Docs and keep the text flowing cleanly. First, use the built-in columns tool. In your document, highlight only the section that needs columns. Skip this step to apply columns to the entire document. Click the Format tab, select Columns, then choose the two-column layout icon. Open More Options to add a vertical line or adjust spacing between columns. Your text now flows from the first column into the second. Google Docs keeps overflow moving down the page for you. To start typing at the top of the second column right away, place the cursor where the first column should end. Click the Insert tab. Select Break, then Column Break. The cursor moves to the top of the second column. If you need fixed side-by-side sections, use a table. This keeps each section locked instead of flowing across columns. Click the Insert tab. Select Table. Choose two columns and one row. Click Table Options. Under Color, set the table border width to 0. Paste your content into each column. Your layout now stays fixed, even while editing. That's it. Your document now runs cleanly in two columns. Like this video, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.